it's had such an important part in our history, whether that be originally as the Common or, of course, then when the Americans took it over after the Second World War. And then it became internationally important as well because of the basing of cruise missiles here. It was surrounded by wire fencing, and you didn't know really as locals what was going on the base. So I think it created that sense of intrigue. So being able to now have it open for 25 years, and seeing people being able just to come up here, enjoy it with their friends and family, just a great space for us to be able to come and use.
I think the arts are a key part of the communication tools that we've got at our disposal. 101 do it really, really well. And over the past 2 days, the different events, whether it be dance, nature trails, the ability to tie in natural history, social history, families, enjoyment. It's been a really inspiring thing to see and a really key aspect of the communication that we need to look at.
It couldn't be more timely, and to do it through creativity, through community, that's so meaningful, and it honours both everything that's happened in this space and everything that I think is the most optimistic about humans for the future.
It's great. We spent all day here already. I think getting the community together, it's really good. It's thing to get everyone out and around.
And we like
You really like it.
show good this is my work.
Yeah.
Instead of having to go to a museum and see it.
A really good way to get people out and about and to know the history and understand what's happened here and to have a good day out. Keep these guys entertained.
It's been a really nice, first of all, to be outdoors all day long and to explore the whole of the Common. It's quite amazing how Creative Commons kind of uses the whole expanse of the Common.
They're free events like this that anyone can come. There's not a sort of income or there's nothing that's going to prevent you. You just have to know about it and you can come, basically.
Over the weekend of Creative Commons, it's been really amazing because we had a massive range of people, young, old and everything in between, coming and taking part in a moral compass. And for me, what has been so inspiring is the kinds of conversations that were happening within families and between different people that gathered around the compass. So it's been this dynamic moment of gathering and conversation making, which is really at the heart of what we do.
As long as there's projects on the Common that start a conversation, and a project like this is brilliant at starting conversations, we're very good at communicating about natural history and the conservation value. That doesn't fire everyone's boat. And so different events like this capture a different audience, but the message can be used to kind of start that fire, get that enthusiasm going and start the conversation.
And now more than ever, we need non-violent direct action, we need women and people to come together, and we need to stand as a community for the world that we want to live in and decide what positive change looks like.
The other big part of it is it brings the community together. And if we're not a community in West Berkshire, then I don't know what we are. And that's the proudest thing about being the MP for Newbury, is getting to represent such a strong community.